Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm here to do a birthday entry unboxing. So I am doing a birthday challenge and it's not too late to enter. You have until the 31st of December 2025 to enter. I am thinking of extending the deadline to the first week of January. So please, if you haven't entered and you want to, you got time. I'll do an update, a post if I do extend the deadline, but you just need to send an ATC artist trading card or a card and just share, what you're comfortable sharing. If you have a YouTube channel you'd like me to promote, let me know, or Instagram or TikTok, and just share a little bit about yourself. What are your favorite colors, things you like to craft? And then your second entry is just something that you like to make or something that you love. Be a visible subscriber on YouTube, 18 years or older, and the prizes are $75 and $50 gift card. So there'll be two winners. And yeah, here's the address to send the information. All right, so let's take a look at entry number 6. This is from the lovely Randi. I love all the little birthday stickers on here. So cute. So let's take a look at what we have in here. Oh, okay. Look at this. All right. So we have her card. It says Joy. And it looks, oh my goodness gracious. Randi, that is so sweet of you. She gave me a little something extra that I can go buy a cup of coffee with. So that's really sweet. So she says, this card tells me what I feel when I see your videos and receive your Patreon mail. Joy. Oh my gosh, Randi, you're so sweet. I hope your Christmas will be wonderful, peaceful, and blessed. Get a coffee on me at a fancy place. While you enjoy the coffee, you know that you are loved. Oh, I'm gonna cry. This is also an entry for your birthday challenge. I am a quilter, and this is a little piece that can be used in a china cabinet or on a small table. Love, Randi. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so sweet. And I didn't know you were a quilter, Randi, so I loved learning that about you. This is absolute. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is so pretty. I love this. Oh, and I don't know if y'all can see the little detail right there. Wow. You can see it better on this side. Oh, and I have the perfect little table that I'm going to put this on. I'm so excited. I'll have to show you. Oh, I love this so much. Wow, that's really cute. And I love this size. It's really cute. Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much, Randi. And good luck to you as well. And thanks, everybody, for watching. And if you still want to enter, you have time. You have plenty of time. I will talk to y'all in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.